Hello, and welcome to the new world of SOPs. Just lean back and learn. The next few minutes will be about innovation in the development of SOPs.
Chapter 1: Cognitive Procedures. In corporate and government bureaucracies, the usual method for developing a procedure is to copy and amend the old, or find a stock procedure that can be used to echo regulations. Even if actual users are involved in the development of a written procedure, most often a controlling function will intercede, which results in an output consisting of a list of points organized in a consistent stylized fashion. This methodology produces documents which initially demonstrate compliance. However, typically, these are neither welcome nor of value to their target audiences, the users, and do not provide continued compliance. A standard operating procedure is defined as detailed written instructions to achieve uniformity of the performance of a specific function. To be in compliance with a requirement, a standard operating procedure needs to be, at least, a set of instructions having the force of a directive, which includes those features or operations that lend themselves to a definite or standardized procedure without loss of effectiveness. However, SOPs which lack clarity of business or recognition of users' needs and desires can quickly become an administrative burden prone to stagnation, a process which itself leads directly to non-compliance. If SOPs are allowed to be dynamic and cognitive, they can be very effective catalysts which drive performance improvement and organizational results. Unfortunately, it is uncommon for SOPs to be amended outside of their typical review schedule, and sadly common for them to remain unchanged for years. Users may not be provided with opportunities to either facilitate changes outside of this schedule or to suggest changes for consideration during the next cycle. Assuming continued compliance, this indicates that processes remain largely unchanged and therefore do not experience improvements in business value. To be a valuable component in business process and to maintain compliance, SOPs must be both accessible and stimulating. Good grief, did I just say SOP and stimulating in the same sentence? Stimulating procedures, which I'd prefer to refer to as cognitive procedures, have the potential to stimulate thought and therefore innovation, both through their development and in day-to-day use. Cognitive procedures provide a service and value to the organization far in excess of the essential regulatory requirements and rules. Cognitive SOPs. SOPs which provide a compliant backbone while developing a greater process understanding and stimulating innovative thought. The past few minutes were about innovation in the development of SOPs. Thank you for your time, and see you soon.